Hey guys, what's up? We're making slime today. So,
I want you to get one big scoop of doggy food and put it in a doggy bowl.
alright, so first we need some.
And put a little bit in Jakey's bowl.
And we're gonna put it a half a cup. What is my dollar?
You should have Ferris hold the camera since you're doing the other stuff.
Okay, so a half a cup of glue. So I got that. Put the cap on.
Put a little bit in Jakey's bowl after.
Here we need a focus camera.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour the half a cup right into. There has to be a more.
Now we need to pour the activator in, right?
Yep. For this recipe, I'm using the borax activator. Oh, whoops.
Oh,
Just add some.
oh, it's already turning into slime. Wow.
It's working. Wow. That was an immediate reaction.
That was a chemical reaction, you guys. Very
You're
nice.
too close.
Okay, back up. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Can I see this?
Get out of here. This is mine.
Hey, you said you would share.
I didn't say.
Move your hand out of the way. The camera can't see. Ah! You're getting it everywhere. You got it on my arm and my face. Gosh. Doesn't really make a sound. Come on.
Hold on.
It's kind of getting sticky.
No, it's not.
No. Can I try? You hold the camera while I try.
No.
Sure, I want to try.
No, my hands are messy. I can't hold the camera.
Here, I'll hold the camera. Let me see.
This is mine also.
That is so weird, guys. That's a chemical reaction. See, from the bottom.
I think it needs a little bit more activator.
Just a tiny bit more.
Just a little though.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, it's drying already.
I'm gonna need it now.
You have to knead it. Knead it like it's your husband. Get out of here. No, your hands are gonna get sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky. Oh shoot, it's drying. Oh shoot, oh shoot.
It's okay.
I have to hold the camera.
It's okay. So it's already gotten a chemical reaction. Stop it! It's already. No, not yet.
It's a slide that's on the bottom.
Ferris, stop. Ferris! You're making a mess.
I want this one.
No, you're making a mess.
Dude, wash your hands and hold the camera so that I can wash my hands.
I have to knead it.
Need it.
It's so fun, so fun.
I'm gonna put the camera down for a second.
At least pause it. Not the end button, Ferris. You always do that. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Already, you have to play with it a little bit. It's like real slime, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I finally made homemade slimes. Well, I've made other videos of it, but this is my first success. Oh gosh. It's like, alright. So good. It's like really good. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my unicorn onesie. Okay, this slime is so good. Time for some slime video. Yay! Can you hold the camera above? Hold the camera above, like a real slime video. That's upside down. Hold on, like this.
Put it just like that. Can you?
That's
We need to mix stuff in this. Like, we need to add food coloring. But I like Snow White snow.
so nice. Oh gosh, the dollar.
That's my dollars. These are all my
No,
dollars.
those are mine.
One of these is mine because
Four of them are mine.
4 of them are yours.
Yeah, because Mom gave me
Oh
three.
my gosh! I see a bubble. There's a bubble. A bubble. Oh, never mind. It popped.
Now, Ferris, do you want me to... I'm going to ask Mom if I can make you some.
Yay!
Wait, first I'm going to do a swirl. I've never done one before. It didn't work. It even makes the noises. I've never had slime like this before.
Yeah, because last time I ruined it. 'Cause I
Yeah.
put too much activator.
Context.
We need to put something in this. Like put food coloring.
Glitter?
Glitter, yes. Glitter.
I don't really want glittery slime. I just want it white.
Oh,
I like it.
nice.
Oh gosh.
Mommy? Elliot wants. Mom?
I already know where it is. This is so fun.
Have a cup of blue. Can I try?
Poke it. It's so fun.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome! Ah! I just want to keep
Kind of
doing
sticky.
that. Can I try
So
again?
much ASMR.
You ruined everything.
Stop.
There's no slime on you because I didn't get any slime. Except for a bit. I never had slime like that.
Actually, I never had slime like this because it's mine. It's not even. Go ask Mom if we can make some more for you.
Mommy.
And then you can do whatever you want with it.